Hello learners, welcome back to our channel Instructors Point. My name is Ishan Kesavani and I will solve today one question that is expected to come in the Tcs Nqt 2020. So I have a complete list of all the questions which may or may not come in the Tcs Nqt. So I will be solving one of such question. So let me start by first creating the Java class, and this question will be sorting the dictionary. So I will create the method sort dictionary. And now let me remove all this, and now what will I do is I will just create a method called as sort dictionary. So public static void sort dict, say it is sort dict method, and it will take an integer as an argument, that is the size of the dictionary, and the array as well. The array will be the words array, so it will be of string type, string words. And now what I have to do is I have to complete this whole method and call this method from my main method. So I will be defining a main method as well, public static void main, static void main string args, and from this method I will call this sort dict method. So first of all, let me write the code of this sort dict method. So what will I do is I will be here is some problem, let me solve it out first. Yes, now it's fine. So now what I need to do is I need to traverse through the elements of this string array, and what I need to find out is I need to sort the string in the ascending order or in the dictionary as in the dictionary. So what will I do is I need a temporary variable, so I will require a temporary variable string temp. And now what I will need to do is I will just write a print statement, system dot out dot println strings in sorted form. Now I will use the for loop in this. So within the for loop I will write two for loops. Why two for loops? Because I need to compare the element at the index 0 with the element at the index 1 and so on. So I will be requiring two for loops for this because I need to compare the values. So int j is equals to 0 and j is less than n and j plus plus, and within this I will write another for loop for int I is equals to j plus 1 because I want to compare the first index with the second index and so on. So I less than n and I plus plus, and what will I do is here I will just compare the strings at the index j with the string at the index I. So I will use the if condition. So if string at I dot compare to is a method, predefined method in the Java compiler. So it will be comparing with, we will be comparing string at I location with string at jth location. And if this is evaluates to less than 0, then we need to swap, and temp is equals to str of j, and str of j is equals to str of I and str of I. This is all the code for swapping. You might have known it already. So let me just print it out, this string now after this for loop. So I will print this before this j loop ends. So system dot out dot println and str of j. Now what I need to do is I need to just call my method sort dict method. So for this I will be using a scanner class because I need to take the input from the user that how many strings does he want. So scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in, and let me import the scanner class. Yes, so now I will take this in the integer n. So n is equals to sc dot next int, and now I want a string array. Say it is str, and the size will be of n. So new string, and now I will be using the for loop so as to take the input in the string array. For int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here I will take the input in the string array. So str of I is equals to sc dot next. Yes, that's all I have to do. Yes, now it's fine. So now what will I do is I will just call my method. So it is showing me error. Let me check why it is showing me error. Yes, it is showing me error because I closed my class before this, but I should have closed it here. Yes, now it's fine. So now let me call my method. So sort dict, and I will pass the n, the size of the array, as well as the string, that is str. So now let me run this program. So there are some errors. So let me check what are the errors. So I have written str, but I have given words. So let me change it to str. Yes, now let me check what is the problem in my main method. So this method is closing here. No, yes, this is the problem. Public should end. Now it's fine. So now let me run this file. So it will ask me to enter because I haven't written any print statement here, so it is not asking me, but I know what I have to enter. So I will enter this time 4, and now I will be entering the strings because it will be asking for the strings because I haven't written the print statement, so it is not asking to me. So Shan instructors point and one more string. So you can see that the strings are arranged in the ascending order and the strings are sorted. First H comes in the dictionary, that's why we have got our output as hi, then instructors, then Ishan, and then point. So you have seen that how simply we can sort an array using the compare to method. So friends, this question might come in the Tcs Nqt 2020. So I have a complete list of the questions which might come. I am not saying that it will definitely come, but it may come in the Tcs Nqt 2020. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel Instructors Point for more such programming videos. Thank you.